Do you know? There are sources of water like river,
Sleeping in a car. Sunny weather, sleeping in a corner. Rain away, go wash your face and do your bundle shake. And I'm shaking to the left, and shaking to the right, point to the knees and point to the rest, and point to the one that you like best. Oh, shake it to the left, and shake it to the right, point to the east and point to the west, and point to the one that you like best.
The crowd, but today these children have done marvelously well. They taught us about water. How many of you know that water needs, cars need water? We are just putting the water in our radiator, but we don't know the usefulness. But today, they made you to understand that without water, your car will not move. So they taught us a lot of things today. Please, can we give them a big round of applause again? Our jolly good children, and so say our lovers, for they are jolly good parents, for they are jolly good parents, for they are jolly good parents. And so say all of us, and so say all of us, and so say all of us, for they are jolly good children, for they are jolly good children, for they are jolly good parents. And so say all of us. Parents be behind them, the children in front. Some of them can stay there so that we need to take everybody like that. We can make a call. We can make a call. Okay, are you catching everybody?
Yes, ma.
Say cheese. Stop eating your tie. Stop cutting your tie.
Miss
And look at the camera.
Miss Anore, go behind Miss Josephine. It's okay, it's fine.
Well done. Thank you, parents, for they are jolly good teachers. For they are jolly good teachers.